This is a method how you cut chess pieces out of wood on the bandsaw. My name is Pieter Delpoort. This is video number 4, the final video that shows in detail how to make your chess set on the bandsaw. As you can see, the two sides that I cut off previously are now tied back in place with sellotape where they came from. You will also notice that I've drilled pilot holes where the rectangular cutouts will be. This is what the chess pieces will look like when they have been finished off by hand. The final finish is to smooth the bandsaw cutting marks away with a fine sanding paper. We can now cut this stage with the bandsaw, but we do not need any of the offcuts anymore. So I will cut away the sides and the king will be exposed. The one side is now cut away, which means that the sellotape has been cut off. We need to add new sellotape to this side to prevent the pieces from moving while cutting. This is now our final cut. That's done, and now we have a chess king. The rest of the chess set will be bandsawed in the same way. Enjoy your bandsawing, and I trust that you enjoyed my videos. Like and share please.